Hello everyone, welcome to today's video of the daily target series. So let's begin working on today's target. It is going to be an easy one today, like it isn't any complex. Let's just do this. Class is equal to A. Like I am first going to create these circles, the dark colored ones. And I would be working in such a way that I'll make it in layers, to be honest. Dot A, dot B. Let's give body its properties first. So body has the property of background. Okay, so background is this color. Let's make it that color. Now, like it's correct, like the sizes are correct. So let's go with border radius. Even if there is a little bit difference, that can be eradicated later on. Let's also change the color. And this is the color. Let's paste it. Now I'll give it position absolute. Okay, and I'll give it another which is left, and I think it will be 150. 150 by the fact that it is the 400 by 300. It is 100. So 150, 150. Like this is simple mathematics, although it isn't that required. You can even use justify content, etc. But I have a preference for this method. So I think the top will be 25 for A, and for B it will be, like I'm using top because it just has lesser characters. So maybe 150? No, 150 isn't the answer. 175 would be. Yep, 175 is correct. So they also have a 150-degree difference like this. Okay, you can see they are on the exact positions. Now we have to make more divs. So I'll copy this, paste. Now I'll make the C div, which is going to be the rectangle, and I'll make two more divs, which are going to be the internal circles, the ones that are light colored. Let's first do the work on the C div. Also, let's do one thing. Wait. C div, D div, and E div. They all are going to have position absolute, so I'm just doing this so that they do have it. And even the internal circles will have the same sizes as the external ones, so I think this is a good idea. And also dot A comma dot B comma dot C, they'll have the same background color. Background, so we can keep it same. Paste. Dot A comma dot B. I'm also taking their left value here just because it is not going to be the same, because the circles inside the C div will have the not dimensions, the coordinates according to the C div, so it would be difficult to work like that. So I'll give it a width of, I don't know, 100. No, not 100. I'll give it a width of 250 maybe, and a height of 150. Yeah, the sizes seem to be correct. We can change the top, like if it had 25, I'll give it 75. And the left would be, I guess, 75. Yeah, 75 is again correct. Now the only thing, like we didn't give any color to D and E, so they are not visible. So let's give them a background color. And the background color is this one. Paste. Or let's even go further and decrease the word count further. So okay, but they'll have the same value for the left. So let's first do that. Maybe 75 again. Yep, again 75 is correct. Now I'll go with dot D, and it will have a top value of minus 50. You would be wondering how minus 50. We wanted to have the same position, like this is 100, 50, 50. So if we do minus 50, it will get on the correct position. Dot E, top. Now this time we would be simply doing 100, because we knew there is how much difference there is because of when we did here. There was only 150 pixel difference. So if we plus minus 50 and 150, it would get there. Now on removing difference, you would be wondering, like we want this to be half. Why is it full? That's just a minute problem and can be solved in this way. And it's done. Now we submitted, it is going to be 100% match, which is good. As you can see, 601.68 is the score. Let's check what's the average score. 584.33. Okay. And it has a pretty good success rate. Although our characters are more than the average ones, but our score is more than the average one also. So we can check once that if there is something that we can again put together. Okay, so we can give property here together for C also. So now they are even lesser than the average character count. Is there something else we can do? Like, doesn't seem to be. So I'll submit it again. The score will increase and then I'll end the video. So that's it for today's video. Also, I would like to tell you that the series I called the experimentals has been ended by my side. Like from now on, you won't be receiving any episode for the experimental series because I wasn't getting that many ideas and not even they were that productive. Like I wasn't getting any good output from it. So I just decided to end it. So that's it for today's video. Hope to see you in the next one. Till then, bye.